In this video, we're going to try and find the temperature of this iron nail after we've heated it in a Bunsen burner flame by using ideas of specific heat capacity. So this is an iron nail, and the first thing that we're going to need to do is to find the mass of that iron nail. So I'm going to bring in a second camera so you can see what the mass balance is reading. Pop that nail on, and hopefully you can see what the balance is reading with the nail on it. The next thing that I'm going to do is find the mass of this empty beaker, and hopefully you can see the mass of the empty beaker. And now I'm going to add a little bit of water to the empty beaker. Pour in a little bit of water and pop it back on the balance so that you can get the mass of that again. The temperature of the water, hopefully we've managed to get that okay. So the next thing that we can do is to heat up the iron nail in the Bunsen flame. So I've got safety goggles on, even though you maybe can't see that. So let's get the Bunsen burner lit. The Bunsen burner. Okay, turn this onto the roaring blue flame and try and get this nail really nice and hot. So I've got it near the top of the cone of the roaring blue flame, and hopefully you're starting to see nail glowing quite hot. And what I'm going to do in a moment is drop it into the beaker of water. Let me just wait a moment more. So it's kind of going to give me the average temperature, this experiment. So clearly the tip of this nail is a lot hotter than the other end. So let me drop it into the beaker of water. Make sure it's mixed round, and then as quickly as I can, I'm going to put the temperature probe in again. We've got up to about 26.5, so we should now have all the information to estimate the temperature of the nail.